Welcome everyone to another video in X-Plane, where as you can see I'm in this lovely aircraft, a Cessna 172, and I'm doing a landing to this lovely airport here. Okay, so I'm ready to go. Wee, slowly coming down. I'm gonna put down my first notch of flaps very, very soon. First notch of flaps. Now my second notch. You know, I think I'm coming in a bit too gradually. Look. Like I'm coming in gradual. Coming in really gradual. Oh no. Yeah, I don't think I'll make it. But I don't want to come in for another approach. I don't know. Almost there. Oh no, I'm trying to pull up. Oh no, I think I'm just gonna have to touch down on the ground, not on the runway. But at least the Grand Canyon's the desert is quite flat, so I think I'll be alright. No, this is not going to be the smoothest of landings, but touchdown once, twice, put on my brakes, cut out my throttle. Now I'm just sliding. I'm afraid I'm going to have to end the video here just because, but I am, I'm just going to end the video here. Bye! Before the end of the video, I'd like to say that this really nice person, Super Book Lady, did a really nice comment. I really like it. Thank you so much. I don't know how I can repay you. I'm just really happy that somebody's done a comment. Now I'm going to actually end the video. Bye!